Hello there. Welcome to Cooking with Scott. My name is Scott, and today I'll be cooking for you some delicious meals. I'd like to give a quick thanks to today's sponsor, Par Groceries, the average standard for your average life. Today they have graciously donated Frank's Red Hot Sauce, lime juice bulb of juice, Cracker Barrel fromage, lettuce intestines, jumbo romaine hearts, lettuce, a bunch of tomatoes, orange vegetable, bread, celery, chicken breasts, hat. And make sure to have these items today if you're following along, or if you have any personal dietary issues, bowel syndromes, vomiting, burping, intestinal issues, cancer, toe fungus, toe hair, crotchal region vermins, hot sauce crotch. Whatever ailment you have, make sure to have your personal alternative available within arm's reach or walking distance. And now we will commence preparations on our gourmet buffalo chicken tacos. Let's first consult our recipe. Let's get real. First thing we're going to do is grate the cheese. And like every good chef, make sure you always test your ingredients. Good. Really good. That's really enough cheese. We got a healthy amount of cheese. What we've done by grating the cheese is we have changed its physical state. Just as ice can change into liquid, we have changed the cheese into grates. And now the second thing we have to do is delicately and ever so carefully bread the chicken. So what you want to do is you want to grab the entire bag firmly by the... And there you have it, breaded chicken. Now, let's move on to the marinade portion of the show. Make sure you have a clean surface for setting down your pan. You don't want any germies getting on your stuff. And now, let's tinfoil this boy. Tinfoil is great. It has many uses. In England, they call aluminum aluminium. Make sure you get an even coating of tinfoil. Keeps the heat in and seals away lucifer. Ah, there you have it. An even coating of tinfoil. And now what we must do is open this breaded chicken box that we created within the box 5 minutes ago and evenly place the chicken on top of this tinfoil surface. Now, what you may not know is every single box that we create here on the show comes with its own sauce packet. And now, continuing on, as you can see, it's a nice firm bag. I prefer the method of biting into bags, but today I'll show you the actual health-safe version of it. We'll grab these spare scissors here and just do a nice Nice cut job. There we are. And you want to cook the chicken while it's still very frozen. I think that's what it says in the box. I always get really nervous when I touch raw chicken. My mom and now for Frank's Red Hot Sauce. They didn't sponsor us this time. We're running a little low on funds here on this Cooking with Scott show. This might be our last one. And now for Frank's. You want to be a little bit gentle. You don't want to scare them away. Just strip it on me. Nice even coating. You want to take your time. It's like Zen gardening. You want to go left and right over this one. Just like, imagine you're downhill skiing on this piece of chicken. And you go up and down, just like you would on a little chairlift. Okay, that's looking good. Very good. Very, very good. You know, this show makes me hungry. And sometimes I like a little taste of stuff in progress. But first, we got to put this lime sauce on. And with the lime, you can be a bit less gentle, because you really want the tang and accentuate the breast of the chicken. And yes, while I'm at it, I may as well have a bit of that. Very good. And like I said before, a good chef always tastes his chicken, or tastes his ingredients before he does anything of the sort of cooking. Before I do that, I'll mix it around in the sauce and make sure they're all evenly coated. And you know, why not? Let's cook it. And now that we got our chicken in the oven, let's start prepping some veg. First, grab a bowl, any size, any type, and let's start cutting it up. I'll just put it there for the cameras. Now, we have many things we can cut. Let's start with some orange vegetable. Good. First, you gotta wash the orange vegetable. We don't need to do that. Make sure it's nice and clean. Now, it's always good to see where you haven't licked because of the shimmer on the carrot. As you can see, I missed a big spot right there. Fun fact, the Inuit actually used to brush their teeth with orange vegetable. This was back before dentists were invented. Now that it's all clean, let's go into chopping. Grab your trusty sharp ass knife and start on the very tip of the orange nib. You know what works even better? A Louis. You know, perfect. And now let's move on to tomatoes. Fun fact, tomatoes are actually sacks of liquid. And when you squish them, they actually explode. So we don't want to do that. We want to calmly cut our tomato into nice, even slices.
Welcome back, Scott.
No! Louis, no!
Why waste your talents making the taco? You could become so much more. You could become the taco!
No. I must become the taco. I must become the taco.
Become the taco!
And there you have it. A delicious, gourmet buffalo chicken taco sandwich taco. Made in an easy step-by-step process. Tune in next week while we go through the step-by-step process of cooking potato salad. And no, it's not the way you think.